I had my stroke when I was 6, and at that age I didn't really know what hemiplegia was. I was just most kids were just running, playing freely, and I was just learning how to walk again, and one side of my body just didn't listen to me, as most of you will know with hemiplegia, well, all of you. And this is my story from rock bottom to rebuilding everything just one step at a time. Growing up wasn't just growing up with hemiplegia wasn't just physical, it was mental as well. School wasn't about fitting in academically, it was all about fitting it all in, and watching others do things effortlessly hurt, like tying shoelaces, catching a ball, running without falling. It was just like, why can't I do the same thing? But I used to think I'd never be normal, have a normal life, and here's what I realised: normal isn't the goal, growth is. And once I stopped comparing myself to others without hemiplegia, and just focusing on me and improving my body, at my pace, the way I think, it all just changed. My rock bottom wasn't one day, it was every time I wanted to give up, and every time progress felt slow, and it felt invisible. I just felt like giving up, but that's when I learned something powerful. And you don't climb out of rock bottom through motivation, you climb through it through discipline. And I had to do that for me, and from the ground up, through habits, patience and faith. I stopped pretending I wasn't different, and I started embracing it. And the moment I accepted my reality, I just got power back. And you can't improve what you refuse to face. Some days all I could manage was one step, one long stretch, or one more repetition. But those tiny wins just stack up. Over time they became transformations. And the mental side of recovery is everything. I built routines that trained focus, patience and gratitude. Visualizations helped me reteach my body the way it forgotten. I built my day around consistency: wake up, move, rehab and reflect. And you don't need the perfect day, all you need is predictable ones. So let's say this is you wake up, do your stretches and you do your rehab when you first wake up. That is better than what you did the day before, and that's only the start of the day. So if you do that at the start of the day, you'll just be like, oh, I may as well do another one. And that's all my mornings are, just getting up, doing my stretches, doing my rehab, and then I have the day to think, oh, should I do it again? And that's the way everyone should think. And the mental side of recovery is everything. So yeah, the turning point was when I realised my struggle could inspire others, and sharing my story through pain to purpose, and helping others became the best form of healing for me. Hemiplegia taught me patience, resilience and perspective that a few people would learn. And I used to ask even, why did this happen to me? Now I ask, what can I build because it happened to me? Every day I train, reflect and speak about how I could do things better. And I'm honouring that 6-year-old me could refuse to quit. I won't let myself quit. My life isn't perfect, but it is purposeful. You're not behind, you're just refined. You're just being refined, and you're not broken, you're just being built. And rock bottom was the start of my rise, and it can be yours too. The comeback is always stronger than the fall even. So if you refuse to stop climbing, just think about how it can benefit you. If you just stop, it can't benefit you. All you have to do is just keep on going. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.